their performance is up to expectation because all what we are fighting for is the 3 points which they get at the end of the day.
Coach, congratulations for the victory against Ram Kamara. Looking at this game today, you sifted the players a little bit because we saw Kadi coming into midfield today, and he clicked very well to help the team going forward, and you were able to score as early as the first 15 minutes of the encounter. How much of a significance was it to switch the personnel in midfield?
All we did is we only do one changes, which is Kadi Drame and Kadi Jallo. Kadi Jallo came from the bench and replaced Kadi. So the formation depends on the way the Ram Kamara is playing, because their number 9 is used as 10 player, and she's the player also who is going in and out doing some internal changes. So that's the reason why sometimes you see Kadi playing in the middle and you see Adi moving towards the halfback. So that's the interchanges that cause the formation the way you see. But there's only one changes that we did.
Coach, congratulations on your great performance.
Thank you.
Sarah Jaju was instrumental in today's win, scoring the winning goal and earning Woman of the Match. What are your thoughts on her performance?
Yeah, Sarah performed well, but she still need to do more than this, because Sarah can do more than this. As I said during our last game, during the interview, I said it was late before Sarah would come into the game. But today I think she tried, and then she listened to the instruction and then tried to do something in the first half. Yeah.
Congratulations, coach.
Thank you.
From the look of things, though your girls have done great today, but from the look of things, they could have scored more than one goal. Yeah, if they capitalize on their chances. What do you think they missed today?
It's just that they did not capitalize on their chances, or let me not say they. I can see Mama did not capitalize on her chances. If she could have capitalized on her chances, I think the game can even go up to 3. But she did not capitalize on her chances, and this is something that we need to go back there and then work on it, so that next game we can be able to see changes on her side.
Coach, Sarah's goal was a historic goal, the first goal from open play from Bera Uleng, and the first goal that Ram Kamara concedes from open play after playing 193 minutes. But one of your players in Fanta Drame has been a very good goal scorer back in the Gambia. But in these first 2 games, she has not been at her best. What do you think is missing as far as he's concerned?
Yeah, just like I said the last time, these girls, most of them, this is their first time playing international. And I think it will take some time before some of them will go. And I believe as time goes on, we will see some changes in them.
For the next game, you will face Lusfas of Mali. How will you prepare it, this game?
We'll prepare very well. Like I said the last time, football is process. In anything that we are doing, we take it step by step. Today is the day that we start preparing against them. We already watched their game, and today we are also going to watch them. We'll pick it up from there and know what to do.